Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushmita. Today I am going to talk about a commonly used dental cement in dentistry, which is calcium hydroxide. So let's discuss calcium hydroxide powder by Waldent. Waldent calcium hydroxide powder is a white odorless powder that forms a paste intended for temporary root canal dressing when mixed with liquids such as local anesthetic solution, distilled water or normal saline, as it eliminates the remaining microorganisms and prevent reinfections. The molecular formula of calcium hydroxide is, the molecular weight is 74.08 gram per mole. The solubility of calcium hydroxide is low in water, which decreases as the temperature rises, and the pH is 12.5 to 12.8 and is insoluble in alcohol. Waldent calcium hydroxide dry powder is used in weeping canals. It is used as an inter-appointment intracanal medicament. It is used as an endodontic sealer. It is also used in apexification and apexogenesis process and is used in cases with root resorption. When calcium hydroxide is mixed with pure water to the consistency of a light paste, it does not set, and in this form, it cannot be used directly under any resin-based restoration such as composite resins, compomers, and resin-modified glass ionomers because it is hydrophilic and would interfere with bonding system. The armamentarium required for the mixing of Waldent calcium hydroxide powder are Waldent calcium hydroxide powder, a cool glass slab, a mixing spatula, a normal saline. Take an approx quantity of Waldent calcium hydroxide powder and normal saline on a cool glass slab and mix to a creamy consistency. Use Lenturo spiral, gutta percha point or an endodontic file for applying calcium hydroxide into the canal. While using Lenturo spiral for calcium hydroxide placement, adjust the rubber stopper 2 mm shorter from the working length. Make sure that the Lenturo spiral is not binding into the canal and is moving freely. Now coat the Lenturo spiral with calcium hydroxide paste and place it into the canal with pumping motion. Repeat coating the Lenturo spiral 3 to 4 times or as required. Now with the help of sterile paper point, blot dry the excess fluid and at the same time pack down the paste into the canal. Remove the excess calcium hydroxide paste with the help of sterile cotton swab. Finally, seal the access cavity with temporary filling until next appointment. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed our video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel.